I feel like shit. And I look like shit as well. Oh my god. My life has literally been all over the place. Like, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I need to get it back together. My room is a mess. My mental state is a mess. I am a mess right now. Everything is a mess. And we gotta change that in this video. So, first of all, I have to take a shower because this is not giving. Absolutely not. I really believe in look good and feel good, so I have to look good for proceeding with this video. Otherwise, I will literally kill myself. So I just came out of the shower and now I will go to a temple. If you know me personally, you know that I used to go to the temple almost every day and I used to pray every day. But it's been so long since I went to the temple and I want to get that in my routine again because honestly, I used to feel so good.
Flashback.
As I wiped the eyeshadow off.
End of flashback.
Honestly, I used to feel so good whenever I used to go to the temple and pray. It just used to give me so much motivation and just so much hope in my life. So, yeah, the second step of the day will be going to the temple and reconnecting with God. The weather is also very good outside, so I might as well take a walk. Guys, I just prayed in the temple and I feel so nice. I genuinely feel healed, like a part of me literally healed. It's such a good feeling. I missed going to the temple and praying to God. The next step is I have to clean my room. It's not that messy, like just a little, but some things are like out of place, so I just have to put them. I am literally so careless with my electronic devices. Like, I literally keep my MacBook. Oh my god, it's so heavy! On top of my HP laptop. Like, I just keep them like this. Like, girl, get a grip. What the hell? Oh my god, that's why my electronic devices are always like having some troubles. I'm giving myself a treat from the leftover cake I had. One thing about me is I never eat healthy. So for the next step, I will be journaling. I haven't journaled in like so long and I need to let my thoughts out because I think I'm going insane over here. I will also write some things I'm grateful for because you know, when you're rotting like I am and when you are in a slump like I am, you can be really ungrateful. That's not good for the long run. So I will be manifesting right now while journaling and I will be writing things I'm grateful for, you know. So let's go and do that. Whenever I'm doing this segment, I always choose a pen from this. Yeah. Which one do we go for today? I also have this one. I feel like I'm in the mood for this one. I haven't used it in a long time. My uncle got these from China and these are like the BTS ones that I barely use. So a crucial step for getting your life back together has to be like doing a hobby, you know, and getting back into your hobbies. And if you know me, you know that I love reading. I've been wanting to get back into it because I fell into a reading slump, a bad one, and I still haven't finished the do-over. I bought it in like, you know, in June when I was filming my birthday glow up video. It's been exactly a month and I'm still just halfway through this book because I'm in such a slump right now. I cannot read. which is so sad because I want to read more books, but I cannot until I finish this one. You know, it's a thing with me. I cannot just DNF books. I have to finish it before reading another book. It's kind of a rule of mine. So yeah, I will be reading this while having my vanilla croissant. It's so good. So guys, I was talking to ChatGPT because I have no one else to talk to. Ow, my hand hurts. Anyways, as I was saying, what is this angle? As I was saying, I was talking to ChatGPT and I was asking it about how do I get my life together? Like, what else can I do? And he was like, you know what, girly pop, I think you should exercise. I think you should move your body because I don't exercise at all. I don't exercise at all. But guys, so as I was saying, I don't exercise, but I do walk a lot. Like, I walk a lot. But guys, but my waist is still snatched, and that's all I'm asking for. Guys, I'm at my terrace right now because the weather is so good. Like, it's so wait, let me catch my breath. Oh god, it's time for the sun to set, but I cannot even see the sun. It's hidden behind the clouds. But as I was saying, I don't do exercise or anything. Like, I barely get up. I'm so lazy, guys. I'm literally so freaking lazy. But I do walk a lot. Like, I walk a lot. I think that really contributes, like some kind of fitness, I guess. And I don't eat that much healthy. I've never been on a diet. I don't believe in diets. But you do you, girl, if you're doing it. For me, I don't believe in diets. I think my metabolism is quite high. Touch wood. Touch wood. But yeah, and it's not even like I eat unhealthy food a lot as well. I do it sometimes. I just don't restrict myself, you know. I don't even know why I'm talking about this right now. I don't know. I think I should just shut the fuck up. You're looking at this? Oh my god. Wow. But it's so noisy because there's a highway. I'm gonna be listening some music while I'm walking right now. Hi guys, it's nighttime right now and I was craving some dopamine, and you know the fastest way to hit dopamine is just scrolling on social media, which I did not want to do because this vlog is literally about me getting my life together, and if I just end up scrolling on Instagram or YouTube for hours, then it would be contradictory, and I didn't want to do that. So I was thinking, you know, what can I do with my free time? So I started drawing. I have always been kind of like an art kid. Not really. I think I'm a little decent, but not like perfect, like, you know, like those insane artistic people. I'm not one of those. I can draw like pretty decent, you know. So I made a sketch of Ariel. I also made one of the corpse bride. These are just some previous drawings that I made. Oh, okay, J-Hope. You know, I journal a lot. Ayu, Nezuko, Won Young, Jimin. This is one of my favorite books as well, The Great Gatsby. Taylor Swift, Park Jimin once again. It's just a random page with quotes on it. I don't know. This is also a sketch I made. Look at this one. Oh my god. I love strawberries and I love these snacks as well. So I just made them. Like, it's so cute. But yeah, guys, those are all the things I did to get myself back on track. And I'm feeling a little better. You know, I'm feeling like I finally have a little bit control of my life, and it feels good. It really does. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive. Bye.